In today's video, I'm going to show you how to inspect a hotel bedroom for bed bugs. And I'm not going to get into all the crazy details. I'm just going to show you exactly, simply how to do it. So first of all, bed bugs are ectoparasites. So that means they feed on humans from the outside. They feed on your blood, which sucks and they're nasty. The good thing about bed bugs is, in all honesty, they are very rare. So the chances of you finding bed bugs while you're inspecting your hotel room or wherever you're staying is actually very small, but you should do it every time you go into a new place to sleep. So if you just take like a couple minutes just to look at your bed exactly how I'm going to show you, then you can guarantee yourself to not have bed bugs. And it's very, very simple. So in residential cases, bed bugs can live on furniture. They can live, of course, on the bed. They can live on couches. They can live on recliners. But the good thing about a hotel room is that they're always gonna sleep on the bed. And bed bugs need to feed to survive. So all you have to do is look at the bed. One of their keys they sense whenever they start to feed is the carbon dioxide that humans release in their breath. So most of the time, they're gonna be up at the headboard and upper area of the bed. So to inspect a bed for bed bugs, first thing you do is you throw back all the pillows. The bed bugs are not going to be on the pillows. You throw back the sheets, the comforter, all this stuff. Throw back the fitted sheet, throw back whatever that thing is, throw back whatever this thing is. And now you've exposed this whole big corner to be inspected. You want to get as much lighting in this area as possible. Now we got this lamp here, and that's providing a pretty good amount of light. And at a minimum, just grab your phone and turn on the flashlight. If you have a flashlight with you that's stronger than this, because this isn't really that strong, then that would be perfect. So we're just going to take this phone as our inspection flashlight. There's three main items you're inspecting here. You're gonna inspect the headboard, you're gonna check the mattress, and you're gonna check the box spring down here. But whenever I pulled back all this stuff on the bed, they have another layer on the mattress here. And this isn't the mattress. This, guys, is actually a bed bug cover. Bed bug covers are just tools that a lot of hotels use to help, at least in their eyes, prevent bed bugs, and they do make inspecting them easier. But in my opinion, guys, if there's a bed bug cover on a mattress, that means that the hotel management is either really, really proactive in helping bed bugs, or they've had a bed bug infestation in one of their rooms in the past, and through their own research, they decided to put bed bug covers on all of the beds. Now, I personally don't recommend getting bed bug covers. They really cannot prevent a bed bug infestation, but they can help inspect. If your hotel has a bed bug cover on it, go ahead and look at the bed bug cover. What you're looking for are little black dots. That is the bed bug feces. You're looking for live bed bugs. Adults are about a centimeter long and they're brown. The baby bed bugs are much smaller and they're actually white, and they start turning that browner color as they get older. But what you're looking for is anything around the seams, because they like hiding in cracks. So if you're looking at this bed bug cover, if there were bed bugs, they would probably be hiding right there. And what you want to do is use your strong muscles and just take the mattress and just push it back a couple feet. And maybe you need to move this thing a little bit too. And you're gonna get back here with the flashlight, and you're gonna start looking around. You're gonna be looking for those black dots. You're gonna be looking for those live bed bugs, the baby bed bugs, and also the bed bug casts where they shed their skin, and it looks like just little flaky pieces of bed bug skin. And you're just gonna look back here. There's not gonna be a bed bug just on the mattress here, so that's not a crack and crevice, but they like hiding in these little seams, so be sure to look at the seams. If there's a tag, look around the tag right there, guys. There's a zipper and a seam around the zipper. They could hide around the cracks there, but that all looks good. You wanna look at the headboard. So this headboard is pretty smooth. So you would wanna look down this little seam around the headboard and see if there's any black dots or little bugs hiding in there. You wanna look at the seam on the box spring down here. And you wanna also go ahead and move back the box spring, if you can, away a little bit too. And bed bugs can hide anywhere within a couple of feet of the bed. I would go ahead and look up here and see if you see anything around this corner. Probably gonna have to get on your hands and knees a little bit and look around. Look around this corner, see if you see any bugs or any black dots. That all looks fine here. Maybe push the bed that way. And this has a cover on it. You can take this cover off. There's no signs right in there. So that's all looking great. But guys, this piece of material on the mattress, this is actually a bed bug cover. You want to look at the bed bug cover, but we're also going to take the bed bug cover off and see if there's anything inside. This mattress cover is pretty fancy. The zipper is actually locked in this device here, and it keeps it from accidentally slipping open here. So you want to open this up, take the zipper out, and we're going to unzip the cover here so we can look at the mattress. Now, the theory behind a bed bug cover like this is that if there ever were bed bugs on this mattress, then this cover would be completely sealed off, and the bed bugs that were inside on the mattress would just starve to death because they're not able to escape. But a lot of times these covers get rips in them. If you look right here, there's actually a burn mark in the bed bug cover. So guys, this bed bug cover at this point is completely worthless for trapping bed bugs inside or preventing an infestation. And that's why I don't recommend them. But this hotel has bed bug covers, and it's not a bad thing. It doesn't mean you have bed bugs. They're probably just being proactive, or they may have had a case of bed bugs in the past, and it could have been 5 or 10 years ago, and they decided to put these covers on all of these mattresses. All you need to do is just unzip the cover and expose the actual mattress so you can inspect the mattress. And now, you see what I'm talking about earlier. The bed bug cover does give the bed bugs less hiding spots, because now when you expose the mattress, they've got this huge seam that the bed bugs can hide in. So you want to look around the seam, just take the flashlight here and look around for any of those black dots, any live bed bugs, any bed bug old skin molts around there, and that all looks fine. There's a top seam, and there's always gonna be a bottom seam. So look at this bottom seam too, right around there. That's all looking fine all the way through here. And you want to go ahead and zip the mattress cover and look all the way around the mattress, around the headboard. I have customers come to me all the time with pieces of lint, like ants, any kind of little thing. Some people don't have great eyes, and they come to me and say, oh, I found this little black thing on my bed. Is that a bed bug? Like, if this piece of lint was just kind of curled up here, like, it should catch your attention and you should look at it, but it's pretty clearly just a little piece of lint. I mean, even right there next to it, there's a little something like a piece of dust particle, but it's not moving. There's no other signs of bed bugs on here. And it's just a piece of lint or a piece of dust or something. Unless you're staying in a 5-star resort, you may end up seeing some things that's like, oh, that might be it. That might be it. But if you're looking at these videos on the screen, if it doesn't look like the little black dots, if it doesn't look like live bed bugs or the bed bug skin sheds, then you're probably fine. The bed bug inspection should really only take about 5 minutes or less. You're gonna spend more time like taking all the pillows and stuff off the bed than you are actually inspecting. But if you have a good flashlight and you're looking in all those places that I described, and you know what you're looking for, then it should be very easy to tell if there is or isn't a bed bug infestation at the hotel room. If there is a bed bug infestation, that means that there is a population of bed bugs. So you're not gonna find just one bed bug. You're usually gonna find a couple of bed bugs if the room is being infested. So after you inspect it, all you do is just put all the stuff back, and this is gonna take more time than inspecting the bed will, but you just put all the stuff back so you can actually sleep on the bed. Move the mattress back. So if you have any questions about bed bugs or how to inspect for bed bugs, just drop them in the comments. Like I said earlier, bed bugs, they are fairly rare now. They used to be more common a few years ago, but I'm gonna link in the description a couple of my other bed bug videos that show really true infestations, and I'll show you guys what bed bug infestations look like. So just look in the description, and thank you guys for watching my bed bug video, and I will see you again next time.